How to find gender settings on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find gender settings on Truecaller. First, open Truecaller and then click on your profile here. After that, click complete your profile, and once you're here, just scroll down until you find the gender. And that's it. As you see here, you can add your gender. Just select any gender you want, and that's it. And then just go back. And I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.